Enjoying a beautiful Sunday, but are we headed for a little bit of a cooling trend? Let's check in with Bob.
This cooling trend we're talking about, Dawn, is nothing. All it's going to do is be gorgeous after the cool front comes through, because we're going to get rid of a lot of the cloud cover, at least for a very short period of time. Look at the highs today, just shy of 80 officially across most of the reporting stations, even topped out above 80 degrees, 81 in Mineral Wells. And yeah, that cloud cover stubborn in the morning. Thought the low clouds would move in, but they did break up right around lunchtime. And for a good part of the area, we've seen a half-decent amount of sunshine this afternoon. Winds have been a little strong, at times gusting over 30 miles per hour, but if you're going to get to 80 degrees in February, you're going to have to deal with some wind. There's no doubt about that. You're not going to have calm winds and 80 degrees this time of year. Maybe April, you could do that, but not in February. 24-mile-per-hour wind. As a matter of fact, it's just about the strongest wind speed on the map. Now, you mentioned the cloud cover, Dawn. Look at this. Everywhere from the Metroplex on to the south and east, pretty cloudy, mostly cloudy with some sunny breaks, mostly sunny skies to the north and west. And we are right in the middle. But overall, again, considering February, considering our average high temperature is 62, we'll take a little bit of cloud cover and wind in, and the temperature of 78 for a high. Here's the satellite and radar composite, the loop from this morning. Notice how we all had the cloud cover early, but for half of the area, we've broken out pretty nicely. This is just high cloud cover. This is low cloud cover. You want a quick little lesson on an infrared satellite picture? You see the white tops like this? Very high. They're cold, way up in the atmosphere. You see the gray cloud cover? These are warmer temperatures, lower cloud tops, very close to the surface of the Earth. So there you have two different cloud masses right there across the area. Temperature right now, 76 degrees. Dew point is 56. Humidity, 50%. Part of the reason we do not have any red flag warnings in effect like they do in West Texas. You need that relative humidity quite a bit lower than that, but still there is a fire threat out there, so you do have to be careful and don't flick those cigarette butts. That's one of the worst things you can do. 24-mile-per-hour wind out of the south and 78 the high. Look at that, 61 the low, and I think tonight will stay probably in the lower 60s, especially in the urban areas. Outside areas, maybe upper 50s, but these are way above average. We should be down in the 30s to near 40 degrees. Now let's talk about this cool front. Southerly wind tonight, it'll be brisk. Then tomorrow, if you were with us yesterday, I had temperatures tomorrow in the upper 60s, cooling down. But I don't think the front's going to get here until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That will enable us to warm up pretty nicely tomorrow. So I still think we'll make the 70s during the day. And we'll have low clouds in the morning, then probably become mostly sunny in the afternoon. And there'll be a gusty wind out of the north once this front comes through. No precipitation with it. Then as we head through the overnight hours tomorrow night, it will get cooler. And Tuesday, bright sunny skies, quite a bit cooler, but still, we're talking 60s. Our average high is 62, and I think we'll be in the mid-60s during the day on Tuesday. It should be beautiful. Highs tomorrow ahead of the front should make the lower 70s and probably filtering down into the upper 60s late in the afternoon. So a mostly cloudy, breezy, mild night tonight, 58 to 62. Tomorrow we'll make the low 70s, then trickle down in the afternoon after those winds come around to the northwest. Low clouds in the morning, then mostly sunny. Look at Tuesday. Looks like a great day, and that's our cool down. That's it. Wednesday, we start to warm right back up. We'll have to watch Thursday ahead of the next cool front. Those storms could be on the strong side. And then temperatures will dip down just a little bit more by the time we head into Friday. Next weekend, a few question marks remain. I'll work on that tonight.